All right guys, here we are, the Village of Entrada. This is a master plan community. It's one of Cape Coral's newest and freshest communities. So if you're looking to move into Cape Coral and you want the security of a gated entrance, you got to check out Entrada. And just wanted to show you how they're preparing the site work for some new home sites to be available. We're taking a look at a fresh build. So the client picked out a lot and the builder has already started to do the footers. So he's putting in the basic footprint of the home, and it's going to be one of the first steps of your home being built. All right, the guys are just finishing up the prep work on the foundation. They're going to add a little bit more reinforced steel, and on Monday they're going to pour the foundation and the footers. Guys are out here hard at work. Guys are working on the brickwork now. They're putting together the whole exterior walls of the house, concrete masonry. All right, here we are flying the trusses. These bad boys put together. You can see them behind me. They're working hard to put your house together, starting to take shape. The framers are cutting the fascia board. All the straps are tied down, and now they're getting ready to put the sheeting on the houses. So this is what your roofs are going to look like before you get the tar paper and the shingles on it. We're inside one of the models, and I want to just give you a quick walkthrough of what the construction looks like. All the framers have already got the interior walls framed up. And if you can notice that they use the pressure treated board on the bottom and the lumber to the top. These are all plumbed in, ready to go. Let's go in and stand in the heart of the house. Let's go to the kitchen. So they got the electrical pretty much roughed in. They've got the plumbing done, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, the HVAC systems in. You can see all the ductwork running through the rafters. I'm going to show you the straps. This is all part of the wind mitigation, and the way these tie downs are anchored into the concrete beam, they wrap around the truss, and they've got 6 nails in these straps. That's really good. You'll get a really good credit for your insurance after the home is older and they require a wind mitigation inspection. You know, this is a quality construction home, and I just want you guys to be able to see what it's like. I just want you to take a look at the plumbing. This is a PEX plumbing. You know, you've got your hot and your cold lines that run through the house. These fittings here are actually really good. And if you want to just take a look around, you'll see the water lines. Everything's been plumbed in already, so it's all ready to go. They're just waiting for their inspection so they can start putting in the drywall. All right, here the guys are getting the stucco on the exterior of the home, getting it ready to be painted after that. So the landscaping package is almost finished. Daniel just got done finished installing it. He put the cocoa brown mulch down. He's got Indian hawthorns, grass, variegated arbicolas. He's got a foxtail palm. You got the Maumee crotons, podocarpus hedge on the other side of the house. So it looks really nice when it gets to be mature, and they've really put in a nice package to start with. You know, the guys are just getting started, so probably taking a break right about now. Union break, you know, from up north, you know how you do it. You got to take a union break, keep your mind right, keep your body tight, and a little R&R.